Hey guys, it's Ethan at Patriot Acura. We got Josh, and we got Josh again. And it's happy to be sunny again at Patriot Acura. We got the white TLX A-spec, and we just want to show you a couple features and all the cool little tricks, because it's Tricky Thursday today. And the first trick we got is, Josh, if you want to demonstrate, we have the logo here, and if you wave your hand around the logo, it actually flashes the lights. Here we go. Ah, tricked ya! Tricky Thursday!
All right, enough of these tricks. Let me show you some cool features on this thing. Not so fast! Whoa! So as I was saying, this red interior, you can't beat it, man. Suede inserts. Get a close-up on that one, Caleb.
God dang.
Enough of all those tricks. The trees match the color of the paint. Check this out. What the? Where's the car going? But wouldn't you want one of these? Look, we got the black spoiler. We got dual tip exhaust here. We got nice wheels. TLX is just looking mean right now. Just give you guys a little walk around. This thing is looking nice. Got the black mirrors to match the white here. This is just looking amazing. No tricks here anymore. We're just showing you guys the car and a little walk around.